So take your pallu of the sari. So this is usually the pallu. So if you are well versed in taking the pallu like this, you can always go with this. I am going to teach you a very simple technique to take the pallu. You have to keep the sari straight like this, and you have to take the pallus like this. Secure a safety pin here. So take some weights, let it be books or some other weights, and then you are going to knit the pallu. So once it is clean and neat, secure a safety pin. So now on the iron box, and always keep the iron box in a silk mode when you are ironing a silk sari. Now that you have ironed this part, you can keep the weight on this side. And then you can remove the pin here. So keep doing like this until you achieve your desired length of the pallu. Make sure you have your desired length. So now we are going to take these pleats, place it here and put the weight here. And we have secured it with a pin here. So this is the pleats, the last pleat. Take the last pleat like this. Remove the pin and then again secure it. So now you can arrange the pleats like this. let's see how many pleats we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you can take up to 11 to 12 pleats according to the number of pleats you are taking. So now I'm going to show you how to tie a saree perfectly, sleek and simple. So always tie your inskirt this side, so that this side of the saree comes clean. So I'm going to take this ironed pleated saree. And I'm going to place it like this. And I'm again checking if the pleats are longer enough. So take the first end of the saree. And always make sure you tie the inskirt on the right hand side of your hip, so that this side of the saree will come as smooth as possible. So now make a temporary insertion here. And then take all the saree out here and then place the pallu here. So once you put the pallu here, it is going to be as clean as like this. So now you have to pin it over here. So once you have pinned here, take this bit and take it here. Make sure you pull it so that it is tight over here and here. So now you can release the this pleat and then secure it here with a pin. So some of them used to take the pleats from this side, but I go with here. So take this finger and place it like this. So once you have all the pleats here, adjust the pleats and make it in a row such that it first pleat should be here and then the next pleat. And then secure it with the safety pin. So now you are taking this pleats and you can hold it like this. And you can adjust the pleats which is coming here. So now you are going to take all these pleats and secure it with a pin again, so that we get these pleats clean. So now you can take these pleats arrange it like this. and pin it here. So now you can adjust the length of your whole length, and then you can insert all of these bits. So now that we have perfected everything from the top till the middle, now we are going to iron the pleats. So I'm just taking a regular straightener and I'm just keeping it in the lowest. If you have someone at home like your brother or sister, your mother or husband, you can always ask them to take these pleats off. So hold all the pleats. And now we are going to iron them one by one. So now that you have ironed the pleats, for getting the correct shape, I'm going to tell you a trick how to achieve the correct shape. Adjust your saree like this and bend a little. And then you'll get the exact fishtail shape of your body. So now that we have finished the saree, this is the finished look. If you want, you can add a waist chain so that your waist will be more prominent.